Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make single crochet, but before learning the lesson I will request you to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, like it and share it. Thank you so much. And now we will start how to make single crochet. And for this project we need only two things. I will keep it very simple. We have to need one DK yarn, any yarn, acrylic, anything you can use it, what you have available. It's for beginners only, and I have a 4mm crochet hook for this purpose, and we can start it straight away. So for this we have to make a loop like this, circle, and from this under circle we will make a loop like this, and we will put our crochet hook in it and we will start chaining. You can do any chains what you like, because it's just for the purpose of learning how to do single crochet. So I will make a chain of 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 chains, and we will start for extra one chain, because we have to count 10 single crochet. For this purpose we have to take extra chain, and for this we do one extra chain. And for now, for starting single crochet, we will start from this second chain from the hook. So I will insert the hook in the second chain from the hook like this, 2 loops up and 1 loop down, and grab a loop. We have 2 loops on the crochet hook, pull up a loop, grab a loop and pull through all 2 loops. This is called single crochet. I will insert the hook in this second chain we have already done, the next chain, and grab a yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook, grab a loop and pull all 2. This is called single crochet. Again, insert the crochet hook into the next chain, grab a yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook, grab a yarn, pull through all 2. This is called single crochet, and I will do some more time. Insert a crochet hook in this next chain, grab a loop. We have 2 loops on the crochet hook, grab a loop and pull through all 2. We have to do all these 10 single crochet like this. Is just repeat like this. Next chain, insert a crochet hook, grab a loop and pull all 2, and next chain like this, pull all through. Next chain, insert a hook, grab a yarn and pull all 2. Next chain, insert a hook, grab a yarn and pull all 2 loops. And now is the last one. Insert a hook, grab the yarn and pull all 2 loops. Now we have done all 10 single crochet. So for continuing we have to take one chain. Every time when we finish we will take one more chain and turn the work. Now we will start again from very first chain. We will start inserting our hook grab the yarn and pull all through. Pull all 2 loops, and the next one, insert a hook, take the yarn and pull all 2 loops. Like this we do continue doing single crochet in all 10 loops again, 10 single crochet again, and you continue, and in the end of the row I will meet you again. Again we already have 10 single crochet, and only we have to repeat this until we have enough single crochet rows. But in this tutorial I'm only teaching you how to do single crochet, so we don't need to continue, or we don't need to make specified length. We are just learning in this tutorial how to do single crochet. So you either can end the video here or make few rows to just make sure that you completely learn how to make single crochet. Every time you finish the row, you just need to take single chain 1 and turn, and only you have to start by taking by inserting the hook and grabbing the yarn, and like this, inserting the hook, grabbing the yarn, and 2 loops on the hook and grabbing the yarn and pull through all 2 loops. You just need to continue as many rows as you want to learn how to single crochet. I have made a few more rows to make sure to look clearly that how does this look single crochet. So this was the tutorial to learn how to make single crochet. So these edges are very clear when you take single chain and turn the work, and from very starting you start making single crochet. So I hope you learn how to make single crochet, and if you need any more help, you can comment me in the description box and I will be very happy to help you. So take care and remember me in your prayers. I will meet you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.